Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use your own picture as the background image in Gmail. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the gear icon up at the top right corner of Gmail. And then you want to go down and select where it says theme. Right next to theme, you want to select view all and then select my photos. So if you don't see any photos in here, you are going to have to go to Google Photos here. So just search for Google Photos into Google. Select Go to Google Photos. You will need to upload your image here by selecting the Upload button up at the top right, and either select Computer or Google Drive depending on the source for that file. And you just would upload it to Google Photos. And then you may have to select an album for it. You would actually have to have an album in here. And if you didn't have one, you would select the Create Album button up at the top right. You name this album whatever you want, and then you can add photos to it. Or you can also select from computer and just upload it directly like that. And then once you've done that, there should be an option in here to go ahead and select your background image from this list. So I'm going to go ahead and just select that, and then select the blue select button, and then save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.